Okay, so my BN-20 is flashing and it's making this beeping sound. This is fine. This is fine. I've restarted it. I've power offed it. I've unplugged, replugged, rebooted this program. Searched the internet for all of the help. Somebody had said they restarted this, and I'm downloading the update, and it says it's cleaning, but it's like stuck cleaning. So one person on here said something about the ink capacities. My ink capacities are fine. There's nothing wrong with the rollers or anything. So all I can think of maybe is to check my ink, my full ink, because I've never had to check this before. So this little thing here was just straight in here. All I had to do was pull it out. There's a lip on it. Inside here, let me get a flashlight, is the ink drain line. And if I touch that, it is wet. I put a tissue under it just in case it drips while I got this out and I'm checking it. So it actually feels kind of heavy. So I'm thinking this may be my thing. If it's stuck in cleaning, it can't run the clean cycle because it can't dump more in here if it thinks it's full. So I removed these 4 screws from the corners. Let me open this because it does feel full. Okay. This used to be white, so you can see right there, it pretty much is full. There's layers and layers in here. So I need to order, I don't know if I can order just more of this to put in. Yeah, but it thinks it's full. So I need to adjust this, I believe, before, let me see if I can put it back in. I'm all black now. And let me see if it, well, so that drip nozzle goes into here. And so if it is picking up, it's sensing that it's full. I think that's my problem. I've seen some hacks online where this thing costs a lot, and I think they took every bit of this out and they got the cheapest like dollar roll of toilet paper and took the core out and filled this to absorb all this. I'll just have to check it more often, but I think I'll go and get that and give that a try, because if this sensor is picking up on when that sensor thing goes into this slot, it's detecting moisture, so it thinks it's full. So I'm gonna try that, make the stupid noise go away so the cleaning can go off and we can continue. Okay.